Fuck.
How is it for you, Habte?
Bro, I feel like I'm breathing fire, dog. Like
Surf, 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 surf. Surf, 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 surfing. These niggas gon' ride the wave. Your ass is just like a tape. These niggas gon' ride the wave. I'm about to go fill up a safe. These niggas gon' ride the wave. These niggas gon' copy for days. These niggas gon' ride the wave. They tryna figure out where I stay.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Yo Easy. Today we're doing a part 2 of the world's hottest chip. But Danny and Habte, they about to hit the top. Let's see how it goes. So let's run it up, alright? Let's run it up.
Shit, bro. Black as fucking
yo, this
night,
is
bro.
black, dog. Like this is darker
Oh
than
my
me,
gosh.
bro.
Jeez.
Dang.
All
It
that.
smells like ass, bro.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, I'll count down.
Alright, bro.
I'm shaking, bro.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, it's already hitting you.
It already hit.
It's already hitting. Oh my god. No way. No.
Bro, I got the no, bro.
Oh man.
Crying, bro.
He's crying. He's getting tears. He's shaking. Oh my. Dang.
No, bro.
This shit serious, is it?
Yeah, bro.
No joke.
It's getting hotter.
Bro, take off your jacket.
Bro. Look at the jacket. I'm about to take off the shirt.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Shit, fuck this shit. Fuck this, bro.
No way. He about to eat the ice cream. He's out. No way.
Bro, it's getting hot.
Habte's still in
That
it.
shit, bro.
Habte's still in it. You about to take off the shirt.
It's getting hot, bro. It's getting hot.
Oh my.
Oh, God.
Oh my god.
Bro,
Oh, shit.
my hands are tingling, dog.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, that ice cream looks good, bro.
5 minutes. Can you make it?
I can make it, bro.
Fuck that.
5 minutes. Jeez, how you feeling? How you feeling right now?
I wanna die.
You about to die?
I wanna die.
I can't feel my cheeks, dog.
For real?
I can't feel nothing, dog.
Damn, that whole crucial.
Bro,
That whole crucial.
bro.
I don't think hell's even worse than this, bro.
Good homie?
Yeah, bro, I'm good. Yeah, bro.
Jeez.
Bro, I got a headache, dog.
You how about you, bro? Still hot? On scale of 1 to 10, how bad is it?
Bro, it's 11. It
Oh.
broke my scale, dog.
It broke the scale.
Oh,
And he said it wasn't that bad.
it wasn't that bad, bro. I'm
But now it
dying,
is.
dog.
Fuck that. There's a piece left in my mouth, nigga.
Wow, that's crazy, bro.
Bro,
Just like that.
bro, what's up, bro?
Hell no, Hopsy, you got
Oh
this
my
shit, bro.
god.
Bro, I'm gonna die, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, I need to take a seat, dog.
Oh my gosh. You got 1 minute.
Bro,
What's up, nigga? Fuck that.
I'm ready for hell.
He said, fuck that. He said he ready, bro.
Bro, I'm ready for hell.
You said he ready. Oh
Bro.
my gosh.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, you got it. You got it, bro.
Bro.
You only got 30 seconds.
Bro,
Does that look good?
bro, I want it so bad,
Really?
bro. No, bro. fuck
How
it,
much
bro.
closer?
No, bro, forget it, dog. I don't want it,
Oh
bro.
my god. Oh. 10 seconds. You got 10 seconds.
Bro,
You want the ice cream?
no, bro. Let's see how long I can go.
Dang, you must go longer. No way.
Fuck that shit.
Oh, he said fuck that. Is that still hot? Is this still hot?
Fuck, I'm never doing this again, bro.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, bro, I'm good.
You good?
I'm good, bro.
Damn. Danny, how you feeling right now?
Like shit. Like fucking shit.
It's still bad?
This is bad, bro. I feel like it's spreading all around my mouth.
I feel that, bro.
Fuck.
How is it for you, Habte?
Bro, I feel like I'm breathing fire, dog. I just inhaled fire. Bro, it's like smoking a match. Just take it straight.
Oh my, is there like a body reaction to this?
Bro, my whole body's hot.
But shut your bitch ass up!
Oh my god.
My fingers, I can't feel anything. I can't.
Nigga, if I didn't have this ice cream, I'd rather die, bro.
Really, nigga?
How much more you got left? How much
Drink
more
this
you
shit.
got?
I'm gonna eat this hoe till
That
You
ice
better eat
cream
all of it. Oh my gosh.
it's about to be freaking major on me.
Jeez. What's up? Say what's up.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, look at Puda. Aaron, what's up? You gotta show him, bro. You gotta show him he about to cut up.
Bro, my
better
legs
show
hurt,
him.
bro. I can't feel them, bro.
Bro, I need more.
Whatever you want.
Dude, bust this, bro. I need. Oh my freaking god.
So we'll fade, try and do a fade,
I'll try.
but
It's still there, bro.
I think it's an overdose, bro.
Jesus.
This is like your worst nightmare, bro.
Damn.
Big baller.
do you guys have Android charger?
Hold up. I know this big head ass nigga did not just ask for an Android charger.
Android charger. Boy, I'm finna cook your shit. Android having that. Thank you for watching this video. Shout out to Danny and Habte. I'm gonna leave their Instagrams down in the description below. Make sure y'all show some love for them. That's crazy. They just ate the world's hottest chip.
Where it go, bro?
Damn. Hey, it's your boy Yo Easy. Take it easy.
Easy, y'all.
Dude.